Keeps food hot longer. Stone center becomes hot while handles stay safe to touch. No cords, chemicals or batteries. Safe to use on all surfaces. Material, polypropylene and granite. Removable center for easy cleaning. Overall dimensions, 9 inches length x 10.25 inches width by 1 inch height. Item shape, square. Keep your food hot with the warming plate from Chef Buddy. Simply place the plate in your microwave for a few minutes. The center of the stone becomes hot while the handles stay cool to touch. The granite core transfers heat to the dish. Removable granite insert for easy cleaning. Can be used indoors or outdoors, no cords or batteries are required. Made of white plastic with granite insert that measures 7.75 inches by 7.75 inches. Top reviews from the United States. 5 stars with slight reservations. 5 stars with slight reservations. This is easy to use and does the job. Put in the microwave for about 2 minutes. 3 if you're really feeling it. Buy some Corelle plates. He transmits up and keeps everything nice and warm. Love it. The reservations are simply that I wish this thing were better and had some way to hold the plate in place. When I'm sitting on the couch, the plate can easily slide around, especially if there's any angle, and it's easy to have an angle because my thighs do not create a flat surface. I guess I'm gonna work on having a down pillow with a large napkin or placemat or something over it. I could probably add 1 or 2 very slightly damp or cotton napkins just underneath the plate to hold it in place. I'll figure it out. But I do wish that they would redesign it to address this issue. I suppose an indent in the stone or a lip to the plastic, both of which could add some expense to the item, would be of help. However, on a table, this thing has absolutely no issues, of course. So, this is a 5-star product that keeps my food warm and I love that. I do wish they would work on something for the couch potatoes lol.